In this video, I want to demonstrate how you can customize Google Chrome and Gmail so you can visually differentiate between your accounts. Many of us have several Gmail accounts that we check on a regular basis. For example, I have a work email address and I have a personal email address. While I want to encourage you all to unplug from work when you get home, that isn't always possible. However, it's important that we don't confuse which account we are in, as we don't want to mix our professional and personal files and communication. To help me visually differentiate between my Google accounts, I like to customize Chrome's theme so that each account is a different color. There are a few ways that you can do this. The first way is to navigate to google.com and in the bottom right-hand corner, click Customize Chrome. From here, we can customize this page, or google.com, will look like. By default, Classic Chrome is selected. Chrome also gives its users the ability to cycle through and choose different pieces of artwork and illustration that they have loaded in for us. You can always hit cancel if you change your mind, or you can cycle back and select another category of artwork, or simply select Classic Chrome. Over on the left-hand side, you'll notice color and theme. This is my favorite way to customize Chrome, as I tend to like minimalistic styles that are two-toned and include white. So here you can simply click on the selections and you'll notice that my Chrome browser is already changing colors as I cycle through them. So select the color that you like and click Done. The second way to customize Chrome is through Settings. Navigate to the top of the Chrome browser, click on the three-dot icon, click Settings, click Appearance on the left, click Theme. Click on a theme that you want to try. You'll notice that there is a brief preview. You can click Add to Chrome. Immediately your Chrome browser will change colors and you can open up a new tab to see what google.com will look like. If you change your mind and you don't like it, you can always navigate back and click Undo. But if for whatever reason that button isn't there, maybe you accidentally close out of this tab, you can always click on the three-dot icon, go back into your settings, go to Appearance, and over to the right of Theme, you can reset Google to its default. While I only like to customize Chrome, as I tend to go for a minimalistic style, a lot of users like to customize their Gmail. To do that, navigate to Gmail. Along the top, there's a settings icon. Click on it, scroll to the themes section, and you can select View All. And from here, you can click on different images, illustrations, and various colors that Google has loaded. You can simply just click on it to preview it in the background. And to further customize it, we have some options along the bottom. The first one is Text Background. I'm going to move this box so you can see what it does. If I click on it, you'll notice that right now it's set to light, which means that my email is in a white box. If I click on Dark Mode, it will turn it to black. So you have the option to select light or dark mode. The second way that you can customize is you can add a vignette, which means that it is going to darken the corners. And I can just move the slider until I'm happy with it. And lastly, I have blurring. So again, I'm a visual person, so I like to have something that's really abstract in the background. So I probably would bump up the blur as far as it would go. And once you're happy, you can click Save. If at any time you change your mind, just navigate back to the settings and you can select from the ones that preloaded here. You can go back to View All, or you can click here to set to default. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.